What's up, fellas and girls? Somebody asked me about how much that bottom paint was and that epoxy was holding up, and I wanted to do a quick video and just kind of show you. Now, I fished it all winter for trout. So I mean, I was hitting mud flats, oyster bars, sand bars, ever since I'd say August, September. I've been fishing it, and all the way up until probably about the middle of February. I got one little scuff right here. I don't know if you can see it, but that's from that bunk right there, hitting that thing kind of hard. But other than that, I crawled up under there. There's a few minor scratches. I don't know if you can see sorry about the video. I don't know if you can see how it shines on it. You come down here. Let's see. But there's a couple little scrapes, but that might be the paint, because I put the epoxy and then I put the paint on top of it. The epoxy has held up really good. I have no issues, no problems with it. I mean, it has been wonderful. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video, kind of show you what was there. I mean, I know this is a terrible video as far as looking, quality and everything, but I just wanted to do something real quick and, show the guy that was asking me about it that, that stuff held up really good. And like I said, I put it on really thick. I don't know if you can see some of the places kind of, you see how thick it is. It's not 100% smooth, but it's the bottom of the boat, so I really didn't care. I just wanted it thick and solid, and I wanted more of an armor plate. But anyway, like I said, she's held up really good. She's had no problems whatsoever. And I've fished this thing every weekend, a couple times a week, running it pretty hard. And sometimes in the dark water you can't really see where you're going, and I mean, I've hit a couple stumps with it. I know I've done some oyster bars quite a few times trying to get through my flat and everything, but anyway, just a quick update. That was it. Later.